Okay, hello, my name is Ed and you're watching Ed Wired, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fold this awesome paper airplane that flies far called Fade Away. Now this plane is so awesome because it locks in three-dimensional shape on the top and on the bottom, and it flies far. But if you don't like the way the plane looks with this plain paper, pun definitely intended, then you can use this, our free template. It's in the description, and you can make this plane look much cooler, and it's completely free. So let's see this thing in flight. Okay, but before we start folding, here's a picture of the template. Now, you can just take a screenshot of this if you want to and print it out and cut out the lines on the sides to make it fit, or you can use the one in the description. And if you are using the template, be sure to start with the blank side up, and with the steps that we need to measure, just use the folding lines on the template. Let's get folding. So we're beginning by folding our 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper in half. Make sure to be precise and crease sharply. Now we're going to fold our top corners to the center. Now we're going to fold the top point to the bottom. Make sure to be precise in the center crease. And now we're going to fold this edge back up, and I'm just going to do it first. So what I did was I made this edge right here between this point and this crease. I made it exactly 5 inches long. So that's what you want to do. You want to make it 5 inches long. And now we're just going to fold these corners in like this, along this edge, these edges. Now we're going to fold these back just to reveal this edge, these little edges back. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to fold these back. And we're going to unfold this. Yeah, we're going to unfold these, and we're going to reverse fold these creases that we just made. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to fold this back in, and we're going to tuck this under this pocket to lock our layers. We're going to do the same on the other side. Now, on this side, we're going to make a crease from about right here, somewhere around there, to right here. Okay, so we're going to fold in between about right here and where this edge ends. And I've already made the crease off camera just to help you see it, but we're just going to we're just going to put our finger under this layer and crease it. And this between our point that we made right here and this top layer, like this, should be about 1 1/4 inches. And yeah, you can estimate that, but that's how it will fly the best. Now we're going to just fold it in half, and we're going to fold our wings. This will be our locking mechanism. We're just going to fold it in half. We're going to make our wings. And we're going to start at the nose. We're going to go and slope through this layer, and we're going to go all the way as far as it will go, like this. We're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, now your plane will fly okay like this, but it will be kind of a slow glider. So what I would do is I would unfold this like this, and we're just gonna fold the top down like this, and then we're gonna tuck it in to this pocket. Just like this. Now we can redo our locking mechanism crease, and we can fold the wings. And this will fly much farther, but it'll be less of a slow glider. So it depends on what you like. Hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye.